So Muhdo is different to other companies for a few reasons. The first one is that we've been going for a very long time collecting a lot of data from a lot of people. And we've been one of the only companies to collect not just lifestyle data from the questionnaires that we do, GPS data from pollution tracking, etc., but we've also collected fitness tracking data, so how many steps people have been doing, and dietary tracking, so what supplements people have taken, what diets they've been doing, what exercise regimes they do. And not only have we been doing that, we've also looked at their genotypes as well. So we've done a genetic profile on people, as well as collecting DNA methylation at the same time. And now some people have done DNA methylation tests over many years, and we have many tests from them, and we've put interventions into place. So we can see how certain interventions have actually altered their gene expression over time. So some of those interventions are quite simple. So it could be the inclusion of a certain supplement. It could be a change in exercise regime. It could be a change in sleep pattern. And we can base these on a combination of how we know DNA methylation changes and the genetic results and the genotyping data that we've collected as well. What's interesting about Muhdo is that all our algorithms continuously update. So we create new algorithms every 6 months and update existing ones to make sure it's matching the data set that we have. Most companies have built their biological age clocks, for example, on the published data that's out there. Now, we have also, as a foundation point, looked at the published research that's out there, but then we have a layer of data that's internal to us, which has thousands of individuals in. And that data set allows us to pinpoint genes that have not been looked at in the other biological age clocks, but also the nuances between different DNA methylation and interventions in people, which other clocks do not analyze. Because of our genotyping data as well, we can also see that certain people, because of the way they're born, so their inherited genetics, actually affects their DNA methylation. And therefore, some of our algorithms can be corrected based on these genetic inheritances, which other clocks do not do. And this makes us a very unique company in that we have a great basis of science that we can base our clocks on, which is the published data. But we also have our own internal data set which we can play with to put our clocks to the test. So if we make a clock, for example, or a new test which predicts a certain condition, we can then see the accuracy in our current internal data set, which at the moment for all our data is probably 82,000. So it's quite a large data set, and we can also then split that data set up. So for example, if we only want to look at people aged between 30 and 40, we can then put our algorithms across that and see the accuracy of certain tests that we do.